Speeding is defined as driving faster than the posted speed limit or driving too fast for the conditions. The faster you travel, the less time you have to react and respond to what's happening around you. The second part of this equation is that the faster you go, the longer it will take you to stop. Let's take a look at this chart on speed and stopping distance. Driver reaction distance is the distance your rig travels as you identify a hazard and activate the braking system. Vehicle braking distance is the distance your rig travels from the time you apply the brakes until the rig stops. Total stopping distance is equal to the driver reaction distance plus the vehicle braking distance. If you are going 15 miles per hour, your rig will travel 17 feet before you apply the brakes, plus another 29 feet before you come to a stop, which means your rig can travel 46 feet from the time you see a problem until you stop. The word traction means the contact between your tires and the road surface. Sometimes the road surface provides very little traction. When you realize this, you should slow your speed. How much you slow depends on the conditions. If you're driving 55 miles per hour and it's raining, you'll need to slow to about 40 miles per hour to control your rig. In the snow, you'll need to slow to 28 miles per hour. On ice, you'll need to slow to 18 miles per hour. But what if you can't identify the surface you're driving on? The correct answer is to slow down as though you are driving on snow or ice.